everybody, my name is Joshua Winkens and welcome back to another video. Now this video, as the title says, is a review on the Rode VideoMicro and what I think about this microphone. Now it does cost about $60, which is pretty good compared to most big high-end quality Rode microphones. Now I'll go ahead and kind of read you guys some specs. It does come in about 1.44 ounces, so doesn't weigh extremely heavy. It's not a big microphone, as well as it's 9 by 3 by 5 inches. So like I said before, not a big, bulky microphone. So for some people, it's definitely going to appeal to them. Oh, I got like a small little microphone instead of having this giant, big, bulky, normal Rode microphone. But I'm sure, I don't have it, but I'm sure the new, better Rode microphones is definitely a lot better than this small little one. I just want it because it's a budget microphone. So I'm going to go ahead and actually give you guys a test of the microphone and what do you think about it. So as you guys can so far tell probably, the first part of this video has been filmed with the actual microphone plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and cut it and talk to you guys without the microphone actually plugged in, so you guys can go ahead and be the judge of that. Okay guys, now you're actually hearing me without the microphone plugged in. So you guys, like I said before, go ahead and be the judge. Now the microphone's not plugged in, do you think it's worth it? Or should you go ahead and wait till you can actually afford a really big microphone? You guys go ahead and be the judge of that down in the comments below. Okay guys, now the microphone is plugged back in, so what do you think about the microphone? Anyways guys, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also, go ahead, leave a like on this video. If you guys are watching this on Facebook, go ahead and give me a follow on Facebook. Anyways guys, and also comment down below what do you think of the Rode VideoMicro. Is it worth it, or should you wait to get a really more expensive microphone? Anyways guys, I will see you guys next Sunday, like always. Peace!